I'm good to go. Yeah, excellent. Welcome to this meeting on the Standing Committee on Social Development for today, February 3rd. My name is Caitlin Cleveland. I am the chair of this committee and the MLA for Cam Lake. With me in the room today, we have staff. We have Mr. Michael Ball, committee clerk. We have Mahalia Yakalia Newmark and Kathleen Knuch, who are both committee advisors. And we also have Mr. Toby Kruger, who is law clerk. I'd like to pass it over to members to introduce themselves as well for the record, starting with Emily Bonnet-Rouge.
Good morning, all. Ron Bonnet-Rouge, MLA Techo, Masi.
Good morning, Katrina Knockleby, MLA for Great Slave.
Kevin O'Reilly, Frame Lake.
Jane Wayellen Armstrong, MLA for Mopi. Thank you.
Thank you very much, everyone. So this afternoon, the Standing Committee on Social Development is reviewing Bill 38, Miscellaneous Statute Law Amendment Act for 2021, which corrects inconsistencies and errors in the statutes of the Northwest Territories and deals with other matters of a minor, non-controversial and uncomplicated nature in the statutes. The bill itself is available on the Legislative Assembly's website. I will now invite the Honourable R.J. Simpson, Minister of Justice, to deliver any opening remarks on Bill 38. Following the Minister's remarks, committee members may make comments or pose questions on the bill. Minister Simpson, please introduce your staff for the record and proceed with any opening remarks that you may have on the bill. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Chair. With me today I have Christina Duffy, Director, Legislation Division, and Ronna Sherrigan, my Ministerial Special Advisor. I'm pleased to be here today to discuss Bill 38, the Miscellaneous Statute Law Amendment Act 2021. The purpose of Bill 38 is to amend various statutes of the Northwest Territories for which minor changes are proposed or errors or inconsistencies have been identified. Each amendment included in the bill had to meet the following criteria. It must not be controversial, it must not involve the spending of public funds, it must not prejudicially affect rights, and it must not create a new offense or subject a new class of persons to an existing offense. Departments responsible for the various statutes being amended have reviewed and approved the changes. The amendments proposed in Bill 38 are minor, uncontroversial, or non-substantive, and many consist of technical corrections. The amendments are of such a nature that the preparation and legislative consideration of individual bills to correct each statute would be time-consuming for the government and the Legislative Assembly. Madam Chair, I would be pleased to answer any questions that the committee may have regarding Bill 38. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Minister Simpson. Members, are there any members with any questions for the Minister today? Seeing and hearing none, I believe we are now concluded with this stage of our review. Committee, we have received no submissions from the public on Bill 38, and there have been no requests to appear before the committee today. Does the committee agree to proceed to a clause-by-clause review of Bill 38, the Miscellaneous Statute Law Amendment Act 2021?
Agreed.
Excellent. Thank you, committee. Thank you, members. Does committee agree to have the clauses called in groups of 5 today?
Agreed.
Agreed.
Excellent. Thank you, committee. Please turn to page 1 of the bill. Clauses 1 to 5. Does committee agree?
Agreed.
Clauses 6 to 10. Does committee agree?
Agreed.
Thank you, committee. Clauses 11 to 15. Does committee agree?
Agreed.
Thank you, committee. Clauses 16 through 20. Does committee agree?
Agreed.
Thank you, committee. Clauses 21 to 25. Does committee agree?
Agreed.
Thank you, committee. Clauses 26 to 30. Does committee agree?
Agreed.
Thank you, committee. Clauses 31 and 32. Does committee agree?
Agreed.
Agreed.
Thank you, committee. Does the committee agree that Bill 38, Miscellaneous Statute Law Amendment Act 2021, is now ready for consideration in Committee of the Whole?
Madam Chair,
Emily Knockleby?
I move that Bill 38, Miscellaneous Statute Law Amendment Act 2021 be reported to the Assembly as ready for consideration in Committee of the Whole.
Thank you very much, MLA Knockleby. The motion is in order. To the motion.
Question?
Question has been called. All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Committee members, are there any opposed? Hearing none. Motion is carried. Bill 38, Miscellaneous Statute Law Amendment Act 2021 will be reported to the Assembly as ready for consideration in Committee of the Whole. Thank you, Mr. Minister. Thank you, Minister Simpson. Thanks to your staff that have joined you today as well. Members, this concludes the public portion of our meeting. Is there a motion to go in camera today? Thank you very much, MLA Knockleby. We will now move to go in camera. I will ask that members stay on the line, and I'd like to thank anyone from the public that has joined us today, as well as the Minister. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.